Number 5. When you're buying your Beyblades, make sure that you get multiple bays. This way, you could actually sell the ones that are extra, therefore charging people shipping that you have already paid, so that's 3 shipping prices that could be included in the price of sale. Number 4. If you're the kind that does not like to put stickers on your Beyblades, and we're talking about specifically Takara Tomy Beyblades, then you could sell your stickers to other players that are looking for them. As a matter of fact, get all your launchers that you don't like or you don't use and sell those too. Number 3, talented artists, whether it be drawing or even musicians, can commission paintings, drawings, or songs for other artists to use. It could even go towards clothing and other apparel. It would be a great opportunity for up-and-coming young people to get a foothold in something else that they're passionate about. That includes, of course, Beyblade. Number 2, you could actually become a video creator. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that YouTube or anything like that will make you rich. Not at all. But by learning about editing and learning about how to make footage and how to make footage better, or even just keep people on the screen, that's a very good skill to have and to hone. And so I do encourage young people to get into editing, and then of course that can branch off into many other things, whether it be filmmaking, editing itself, producing, or on the backdrops of sound, or even in front of the camera. And any of these things can boost self-confidence and of course get you money in the long run. Here's number 1. You can actually buy stock from Hasbro, and this way making money from the money that others spend while getting their Beyblades. And I do hope you find this helpful.